Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Small Language Models. SLMs. Powerful AI for small devices. You've probably heard about AI changing the world, especially those smart chatbots like ChatGPT. These are called large language models, LLMs. But what if you need AI that's super efficient, can run on your phone, or only needs to do one specific job really well? That's where small language models, or SLMs, come in. Think of them as the compact, powerful sports cars of the AI world, ready to bring AI magic to everyday devices and specialized tasks. Before SLMs, let's quickly understand what a language model, LM, is. Imagine a super smart autocomplete on steroids. You give it some text, and it tries to predict the next word or even generate a whole paragraph. How does it do this? It's been trained on a massive amount of text from the internet, books, articles, websites, learning patterns, grammar, and facts. For a developer, this means you can build applications that understand, generate, or summarize human language. Over the past few years, we've seen incredible advancements with large language models, LLMs, like GPT-3 or Gemini. These are massive AI brains, trained on colossal datasets, making them incredibly versatile and powerful at understanding and generating human-like text. Think of them as a giant, super powerful supercomputer. But with great power comes great demands. They need a lot of computing power, memory, and can be expensive to run and deploy, especially for every single task. This is where small language models, SLMs, step onto the stage. An SLM is essentially a language model that is significantly smaller than an LLM, both in terms of its internal structure, fewer neurons or parameters, and the amount of data it was trained on. Instead of being a general-purpose supercomputer, think of an SLM as a highly optimized, powerful laptop or even a smartphone that excels at specific tasks. They are designed for efficiency, speed, and lower resource consumption. As a developer, SLMs open up a whole new world of possibilities. 1. Cost-effective, cheaper to run and deploy, saving you money on cloud computing. 2. Faster, quicker response times for your applications. 3. On-device AI, can run directly on a smartphone, smart speaker, or even an embedded device, without needing to connect to the internet. 4. Customization, easier to fine-tune, teach new skills, for very specific tasks without retraining a giant model from scratch. 5. Privacy. Data can stay on the device, enhancing user privacy. This means you can build AI features into almost anything. Like LLMs, SLMs learn from data. They might start with a general understanding of language, often by distilling knowledge from a larger LLM, like a student learning from a professor. But their real power comes from focused training. Imagine teaching a chef to specialize in just one type of cuisine instead of all food in the world. SLMs are often fine-tuned on smaller, highly specific datasets to become experts in a particular domain, like writing product descriptions, summarizing meeting notes, or powering a specific chatbot. SLMs are already making an impact in many areas. Smart home devices, understanding voice commands on your speaker or thermostat without sending everything to the cloud. On-device chatbots, providing quick, personalized customer support or in-app assistance directly on your phone. Specialized content generation, automatically generating short social media posts, email subject lines, or product tags for an e-commerce site. Edge AI, running AI tasks on drones, IoT devices, or industrial sensors for immediate, Local insights. Language translation. Providing quick translations for specific phrases or common sentences. Ready to dive in? Many pre-trained SLMs are available through platforms like Hugging Face. You can use frameworks like TensorFlow Lite or PyTorch Mobile to deploy them on edge devices. Look for models designed for specific tasks you're interested in, or explore distillation techniques to shrink larger models. The key is to think about specific problems that need efficient, localized AI solutions. The world of SLMs is ripe for innovation, and developers like you are at the forefront. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.